Hey guys, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. 10 tips for preventing acne. Number 1 is keep your face clean. Whether or not you have acne, it's important to wash your face twice daily to remove impurities, dead skin cells, and extra oil from your skin's surface. Washing more often than twice daily is not necessarily better. It may do more harm than good. Use warm, not hot water and a mild facial cleanser. Using a harsh soap can hurt already inflamed skin and cause more irritation. Avoid scrubbing your skin harshly with a washcloth and exfoliating glove. Gently wash it with a very soft cloth or your hands. Always rinse well and then dry your face with a clean towel. Also use the washcloth only once. Number 2 is moisturize. Many acne products contain ingredients that dry the skin, so always use a moisturizer that minimizes dryness and skin peeling. Look for non-comedogenic on the label, which means it should not cause acne. There are moisturizers made for oily, dry, or combination skin. Number 3 is try an over-the-night counter acne product. These acne products don't need a prescription. Most of them have ingredients such as benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or lactic acid with curb bacteria and dry your skin. They may cause drying or peeling, so start with a small amount at first. Then you can adjust how much you use and how often. Another option is a new OTC topical retinol gel. It works to actually keep the acne from forming. Use these products with caution if you have sensitive skin. Number 4 is use makeup sparingly. During a breakout, avoid wearing foundation, powder, or blush. If you do wear makeup, wash it off at the end of the day. If possible, choose oil-free cosmetics without added dyes and chemicals. Choose makeup that is labeled as non-comedogenic, meaning it should not cause acne. Read the ingredients list on the product label before buying. Number 5 is watch what you put on your hair. Avoid using fragrances, oils, or gels on your hair. If they get on your face, they can block your skin pores and irritate your skin. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Oily hair can add to the oil on your face, so wash your hair often, especially if you are breaking out. Got long hair? Keep it pulled away from your face. Number 6 is keep your hands off your face. Avoid touching your face or propping your cheek or chin on your hands. Not only can you spread bacteria, you can also irritate the already inflamed facial skin. Never pick or pop pimples with your fingers, as it can lead to infection and scarring. Number 7 is stay out of the sun. The sun's ultraviolet rays can increase inflammation and redness and can cause post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Some acne medications may make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Limit your time in the sun, especially between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. and wear protective clothing such as a long sleeved shirt, pants, and a broad brimmed hat. Whether you have pimples or not, always apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with 6% zinc oxide or higher and SPF 30 or higher at least 20 minutes before sun exposure. Look for non-comedogenic on this sunscreen label to make new pimples less likely. Read the ingredients on the product label to know what you are putting on your skin. Number 8 is feed your skin. Most experts agree that certain foods like chocolate don't cause pimples. Still, it makes sense to avoid greasy food and junk food and add more fresh fruits, vegetables and whole grains to your diet. Dairy products and foods high in processed sugar may trigger acne. Avoid these. Number 9 is exercise daily. Regular exercise is good for your whole body, including your skin. When you exercise, avoid wearing clothing or using exercise equipment that rubs your skin and may cause irritation. Shower or bath right after exercise. Number 10 is chill. Some studies link stress with the severity of pimples or acne. Ask yourself, what's making you feel stressed? Then look for solutions. When in doubt, check with a dermatologist to see if you need more treatment to prevent or stop acne. Thanks for watching.